Jung Kook is back on the Hot 100 this week, though it's not as if he ever left. The BTS superstar scores yet another solo hit on Billboard's ranking of the most consumed songs in the US, and with one more win, he advances again on the all-time ranking of the most successful South Korean solo musicians. This week, Jung Kook debuts at number 44 on the Hot 100 with "Too Much." The track is fronted by Australian pop singer The Kid Laroi, and also features UK-based rapper Central C. The single, which is set to be featured on Larol's forthcoming album, lands the top debut on this week's Hot 100. "Too Much" is Jung Kook's fifth solo hit on the Hot 100. With another win to his name, he's now tied with fellow South Korean superstar Psy for the most placements on the competitive tally among soloists from the Asian nation. With a fifth Hot 100 charter now included in his discography, Jung Kook breaks out of a tie with three of his BTS bandmates. Before this week, he was on the same level as J-Hope, Jimin and Suga. All three of those musicians are steady with their 4 Hot 100 wins, and any of them could collect a fifth at some point in the future. Looking at all K-pop acts, Jung Kook and Psy sit in third place when counting the most Hot 100 placements. BTS runs the show, as usual, as the band has thus far sent 26 different tracks to the Hot 100. Coming in second place is K-pop girl group Blackpink. That band has already accrued 9 wins on the tally. The K-pop star, a member of the boy band BTS, released a preview of his music video for the song, "Standing Next to You," on Wednesday. The "Standing Next to You" teaser shows Jungkook wearing a large pair of dark wings. The singer is also seen performing a choreographed dance routine with a group. "Standing Next to You" appears on Jungkook's forthcoming debut solo album, Golden. The singer will release the album and the full "Standing Next to You" music video Friday. Golden also features the previously released singles, 7 featuring Latto and 3D, featuring Jack Harlow. Jungkook shared a highlight medley for Golden on Monday. In other news, Today announced that Jungkook will perform on the show November 8 as part of its City Concert series. Throughout 2023, Jungkook has proved that he is not just another popular member of BTS, but a breakout star in his own right. He has already released a pair of singles on his own this year, and both of them have broken into the top 10 on the Hot 100, helping him make history in a number of ways.